The Reflex DNA-powered e-cigarette by Evolv is the most intuitive device of its kind on the market. To create such a realistic e-cigarette, Evolv has put countless hours into fine-tuning how the Reflex is produced. We begin by building the control electronics. The printed circuit board is assembled using automated surface mount technology, which ensures consistent quality. The board then receives different components in a remarkable process that is lightning fast and incredibly precise. With the components all in place, the board is moved into a specialized oven that heats the soldering paste to hold everything in place. With all the components in place, the boards are ready for testing. They are brought over to the testing station, where each board is carefully examined. Using a series of cameras, the device is rendered into a 3D model that allows the Evolv team to make sure all components are in place. Every step of this process is tracked and traced for both the user and Evolv to ensure quality and transparency throughout the manufacturing process. Once examined, the boards are sorted for the next phase. Once approved, the boards and components are programmed for operation, coated for water resistance, and after one more trip through the specialized oven, ready to be broken down into individual pieces and sent to the clean room. With the boards now ready for assembly, they are brought to the clean room. Here, the board is attached to the device battery and receives a firmware update. After completion, it goes through a specialized air filtration and extra sanitary protection process. Each individual device and pod goes through final assembly and testing for quality and conformity. The device is then given a QR code, a shell, and laser engraved. The completed Reflex device is placed in its box, wrapped, and is ready for purchase. Reflex, go beyond the real thing.